Let us find the magnetic field inside a solenoid using Ampere's circuit law. Consider a long solenoid. It consists of a long conductor wound in the form of a helix. As current passes through the conductor, one end of the solenoid behaves as south pole and the other end behaves as north pole. So the solenoid is equivalent to a bar magnet. The field inside the solenoid is uniform, strong and along the axis of the solenoid. But the field outside the solenoid is negligibly small. According to Biot-Savart law, closed integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 times the enclosed current. Let us see the cross-sectional view of the solenoid. To apply Ampere's circuit law, consider an Amperian loop, a rectangular loop, ABCD. The side AB is parallel to the axis and the side CD is outside the solenoid. The field lines are similar to that of a bar magnet. They are directed from north to south outside the solenoid and parallel to the axis from south to north inside the solenoid. So closed integral B dot dl is equal to line integral AB B dl, because along the length AB field is tangential, but along the sides BC and AD field is normal. So dot product B dot dl will be 0. But the side CD is outside the solenoid where the field is negligibly small. So closed integral B dot dl is equal to BL, where L is the length of this rectangular path. So let us write BL is equal to mu 0 IE. The enclosed current through the rectangular path is N times I, where N is the number of turns enclosed by the rectangle. So IE is equal to NI. Therefore BL is equal to mu 0 NI. Therefore B is equal to mu 0 NI by L. That is equal to mu 0 small n I, where small n is the number of turns per unit length, capital N by L. So field due to a solenoid is directly proportional to the current and number of turns per meter. Now let us see the magnetic field inside a toroid. A toroid is a hollow circular ring on which large number of turns of a wire are closely wound. The magnetic field in the open space inside the toroid is 0. And the magnetic field exterior to the toroid is also 0. The magnetic field exists inside the toroid and the field is uniform and strong. For a point P in the open space inside the toroid, let us consider an Amperian loop of radius R1. Since the loop encloses no current, according to Ampere's circuit law, closed integral B dot dl is 0. So the magnetic field at P is 0. For a point exterior to the toroid, that is at Q, let us consider an Amperian loop around the toroid. Here also the net current through the Amperian loop is 0, as current flowing through the outer edge and inner edge of the toroid are in opposite direction, the net current is 0. So according to Ampere's circular law, closed integral B dot dl is 0. So the field exterior to the toroid is also 0. But let us consider a point S inside the toroid, and here the magnetic field is tangential to the path. According to Ampere's circular law, closed integral B dot dl is mu 0 times the current enclosed by the circular path. Let us see the cross-sectional view. The Amperian loop of radius r. Since the magnetic field is tangential, closed integral B dot dl is equal to mu 0 times Ni, where N is the total number of turns of the toroid. B into 2 pi r is equal to mu 0 Ni. So B is equal to mu 0 Ni by 2 pi r. That is equal to mu 0 small ni, where the number of turns per unit length small n is equal to total number of turns n by 2 pi r. Thank you.